Warren Buffett is a household name, a billionaire, a business legend, and the Oracle of Omaha. But before he became one of the richest people on earth, Buffett was just a young man with a relentless drive, a knack for numbers, and a vision that set him apart from the crowd. The story of how Warren Buffett made his first million isn't just a tale of luck or genius. It's a blueprint for anyone who wants to build real wealth, no matter where they start. Buffett's journey began early. By the age of 6, he was selling chewing gum door to door in his Omaha neighborhood. By 11, he bought his first stock 3 shares of Citi's Service Preferred, learning his first lesson in patience and the pain of selling too soon. As a teenager, he delivered newspapers, ran pinball machines in barbershops, and filed his first tax return at age 13, deducting his bicycle as a business expense. Even then, Buffett wasn't just earning money, he was learning how money works. But the real turning point came when Buffett discovered the writings of Benjamin Graham, the father of value investing. Graham's philosophy was simple: buy stocks for less than their intrinsic value. Hold them patiently and let the market come to you. Buffett devoured Graham's classic book, The Intelligent Investor, and later studied under him at Columbia Business School. The lessons he learned would shape his entire approach to investing. After college, Buffett returned to Omaha and started his own investment partnership in 1956 with just $105,000 from family and friends. He was 25 years old. Buffett's strategy was different from the Wall Street crowd. He looked for cigar butt stocks companies so cheap that even one last puff could be profitable. He scoured financial statements, searching for hidden value in overlooked businesses. He avoided speculation, ignored market noise, and focused on the numbers. The results were extraordinary. In just a few years, Buffett's partnership was earning returns of 30% or more, far outpacing the market. He reinvested every dollar, letting the power of compounding work its magic. By 1962, at age 32, Warren Buffett's personal net worth crossed the $1 million mark, equivalent to more than $9 million today. He had achieved what most people only dream of. And he did it by sticking to a few timeless principles. So, what can you learn from Buffett's first million? First, start early and think long-term. Buffett's success wasn't built on quick wins or lucky breaks. It was the result of years of discipline, patience, and the willingness to let small gains add up over time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Second, focus on value, not hype. Buffett ignored the latest fads and hot stocks. Instead, he looked for businesses with real assets, steady earnings, and honest management. He bought when others were fearful and sold when others were greedy. The lesson: don't chase trends, look for value. Third, reinvest your profits. Buffett didn't spend his early gains on flashy cars or big houses. He put every dollar back to work, letting compound interest do the heavy lifting. The more you reinvest, the faster your wealth grows. Fourth, be patient and stay the course. Buffett's path wasn't always smooth. He made mistakes, faced setbacks, and endured market downturns, but he never lost sight of his strategy. He trusted the process even when others doubted him. The market rewards those who can wait. Finally, keep learning. Buffett is famous for reading hundreds of pages a day, studying businesses, and seeking out new ideas. He credits much of his success to his lifelong curiosity and willingness to learn from others. The world of investing is always changing, but the principles of discipline, value, and patience never go out of style. Contrast Buffett's approach with the average investor. Most people chase quick profits, panic during downturns, and let emotions drive their decisions. Buffett did the opposite. He built his fortune slowly, methodically, and with a clear plan. He wasn't trying to get rich overnight, he was building a foundation for lasting wealth. The story of Warren Buffett's first million is more than just a financial success story. It's a lesson in mindset, discipline, and the power of starting small. You don't need a fortune to begin, you just need a plan, a willingness to learn, and the patience to let your money grow. If you found this story inspiring or learned something new, don't forget to like this video. Share it with someone who wants to build wealth, and subscribe to the channel for more insights into the world of money and investing. Your support helps us bring you the stories and strategies that can make a real difference in your financial journey. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And let us know in the comments what lesson from Buffett's journey resonates most with you. Thanks for watching, and remember, the first million is always the hardest. but it's also the most important step on the road to financial freedom.